Hi everybody! Hi Nails Magazine. My name is Nguyen. I go by Hannah because people call me Hannah or sometimes like Hannah Banana. Yeah, that's just my nickname. I'm 26 years old and I'm originally from Vietnam. I've been doing nails for 2 years. It's not a long time, but it's not a short time either for me. 2 years ago, I was in my college and tried to finish my college, and I tried to find a job to pay to my tuition fee too, because I was by my own. That's why I need to find a job to get all the money to pay for the tuition fee. That's why I tried to find a part-time job, and like all the Vietnamese people, I choose to do nails because my friend, my family, and all the people that I know doing nails. So I think it's gonna be a little bit easier for me to get a job and go to work and get all the money to pay to the tuition fee, right? So that's why I went to a nail school to take my license and then stop doing nails. Since then, I find out like nails is like a whole different world. That's why like, oh my god, it's so excited, it's so beautiful and amazing, like how people can do the set of nails that's so beautiful, and they can do everything with the nails. It make the person wear the nails look prettier too, and the feeling of that is just so happy. That's why when I find out my passionate about nails and I get into the nail designs, nail art and everything, and I just love it so much ever since. And I've been working hard for that dream, and I've been working hard for that goal ever since. In my country, in Vietnam, we don't wear nails that often because we just wear nails when we have a holiday coming up, especially just I think for me before, or like all the women in my family, they just wear nails like once a year because of the Lunar New Year. So we just wear that because that's the big holiday in my country. So like we just wear nails once a year. But in here, when I came here for the first time, I see everybody looks so pretty with the nails. So I wonder like, oh my gosh, they can wear it like every day to make them look prettier, or like just make them feel happier. So that's how I get into nails, and my passion is just growing a lot and a lot ever since. That's why I decided to enter Next Top Nail Artist Season 9 this year, and hopefully I can learn something and I can be the new Next Top Nail Artist. To be honest, if I compare myself to all the nail artists, for sure the time is a little bit shorter, but I believe with my passion about that and my skill and my talent, so I can do something for the nail industry to make at least inspiring somebody to love what we're doing right now, nail artists. Within 2 years of doing nails, I entered one competition before and won third place. That is C nail battle. That's a huge honor for me to win third place in that competition. So I think with my passion, I can do more about that. Within 2 years, I become a nail educator. So because I love sharing my experience with people, I love teaching people. So that's why I decided, oh my gosh, this is my career. So I have to keep it up with that. I have to work for it to make my dream come true. So that way, I decided I put my 200% in that and doing nails and become a nails artist. In the past 2 years, I learned a lot about nails and I find out my passion about nails. So that's why I decided to enter Next Top Nail Artist this year. And I think Next Top Nail Artist will help me grow as a person and a nail artist. When I first hear about the contest, oh my god, I was so excited because I follow some of the nail artists in the industry and they were successful. I want to become one of them. They like on top of the nail artist world, so why not? Like if I want to become one of them, so I have to have something. I have to have more experience. I have to have my skill level up a little bit more, or everything that I can do to level up my skill, my talent, and my passion about that. So I decided to enter Next Top Nail Artist Season 9 this. I love to share my passion with everybody, and if I can inspiring to like somebody, so it would be amazing. So why not? 2 years in the nail industry is not a long time, but I believe with my 200% passion about that and my skill, and I think Next Top Nail Artist is a huge opportunity for me to become one of the top nail artists in the industry, and it gave me a chance to meet a lot of people, learn more about nails, also learn a lot from the other nail artists in the world. Next Top Nail Artist this year will test my skill in all of the professional, so that's the big opportunity for me. That's why I'm so excited to enter this season. That's why I'm so excited to enter this season, and hopefully you guys can vote for me. Thank you for that. Hopefully with this season I can do something amazing and have sharing a lot with people. I feel like nail artists can do everything with color, designs, and art. I mean literally like everything. I feel like the nail artists have the power in the world to create everything that we like with all the passion that I have. So this would be the amazing opportunity for me to show the world what I love, what I'm doing, and have a chance to become a new Next Top Nail Artist.
And here are some of my works.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough.
Thank you so much. Bye.